You get in.
Oh, close, that's come back in, given! That's an absolute perler. Will Sharma review it? I reckon he thinks he's gone, that's a beauty.
Has it pitched up? How important is that?
In the air, gone! Not that important, he's gone the next ball. Brilliant from Amir. Pakistan cricket at its best.
So far he's been brilliant, but it'll be the question Sarfraz needs to answer.
Oh, taken, caught behind, cross seam, working fantastically for Mohammad Amir. And it's a big one, big fish. Pad first, then the bat, gone for the appeal. Sarfraz feels that there's a strong case. Right, they've gone for a review, so the case here to study for the third umpire is pad first.
Thanks, Richard. Mark, we've got a review for an LBW. Can I check the front foot first, please? Thank you, that's fair delivery. Can we go to front on, please? We've got to decide whether it's hit pad first.
Not out the decision.
It certainly looks like it has. Can you go to hot spot, please? Yep, just slow that down for me. Yep. Just rock and roll it. Yeah, definitely pad first. I'm happy to go straight to ball tracking there, thank you. Here it is, ball tracking coming up now, Richard. Impact is in line. And it's going on to hit the wickets. So the overturning a decision. You're on camera now, Richard.
Full shot, catch it is the call. MS is out. Caught by Imad Wasim. The trap was set. And it's Hassan Ali who's given Pakistan another massive breakthrough. They're checking the no ball here. MS.
Wickets.
Oh, this one's gone straight up. This is going to be another wicket. The captain's called for it and takes it with the big hands. 6 wicket gone. Shadab Khan strikes again. No need for a review this time.
Mohammad Amir had other ideas. Got rid of all 3 of them. Chance of a run out. Both at the same end. And Hardik Pandya has to go. What India did in the morning, Pakistan does it in the afternoon. Outside edge. They haven't missed much, Pakistan. Once again, Junaid Khan strikes with the old ball. The body language of Ravindra Jadeja hasn't been very good. Run out with Hardik Pandya. Outside edge. Hassan strikes again. What a cricketer he is.
Gee them up. That's gone up in the air. Sarfraz takes the toss. It's all over. Pakistan win. 158 India blown away in the final, and it's Pakistan who are through. Over the